Okay, so in Google Classroom, here we go, you have now finished assignment one. Okay, whatever that may be. Assignment one could be, your assignment doesn't have to be called assignment one, but mine is called assignment one right now. So you finished an assignment and you need to hand it in. Okay, this is very important. I do not want you to hand in Google Docs with images pasted in the Google Doc. That's not how we're doing this. Okay, so let's learn how to do this the right way. Now, you're probably going to be doing your assignment in some program, some other program. You might be in iMovie, you might be in a program like this where you're making artwork, or maybe you're just handing in a photo that you took on your phone or a digital camera, okay? The first step is to get the image you want to hand in onto your desktop, okay? This is your desktop. So how do we do that? When we save an image, we have to often pay attention to where it goes, right? So on a Mac, usually when you save something, it will throw the file down to the bottom of your browser here, okay? So watch, I'll go to File, Export As, and sometimes it will say that depending on what program you're in, it may say Save, okay? But we have export, and then we're going to choose JPEG. JPEG is a small, relatively small image file. So we're going to use that. We're saving an image file. Okay, and then I'm just going to hit save. And you see how it threw it down to the bottom of my browser. If you're on a Dell, it may not work that way. I think the Dells are set up a little differently. So it may go to your documents, and you'll have to look in your documents for it. But on a Mac, you'll have it here, and then we will just drag it out to our desktop, and there it is, right there, waiting to be handed in, okay? So now I'm going to go back to the classroom page, and I'm going to click on the assignment. Then I'm going to go to this little button, Add or Create, and then I'm going to choose File. I'm handing in a file, not this, okay? You're handing in a file. All right. Now we need to find our file, okay? So our file exists on our device. It does not exist on the internet here where Google is, okay? So we need to upload it from our device. So we're choosing Upload. And if you want, you can just kind of move your windows around and drag the file in like that if you want. Or you can click the Browse button, choose Desktop, and then find your file this way. Okay, so I'm just going to drag it in. Okay, now you are not done. Lots of times kids think they're done. They think they handed in their project just because it's sitting right there, but you have to do the final step, which is to hit Turn In, okay? Turn it in and hit Turn In. And then you have actually turned in the work the proper way. You'll see that the file extension is an image file, a JPEG. It might also be a PNG. It's another type of image file. Those are probably your most common image files that you'll be working with, okay?